Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm finally back with a Butta skincare update. I'm super excited to be a Butta ambassador, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got this glow and why I'm so hype.
It's almost like, what is going on? Like, what exactly is happening here?
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sha. You know, when you see this robe, what that means. It's a skincare video. Yes, today I'm going to be updating you all on my journey with Butta. Let me backtrack just a little bit. So I started using Butta back in May of 2021. Used it for like 2 or 3 months consistently. And you know, I already said to you guys that I'm struggling with consistency in multiple areas of my life. So of course I fell off when it came to skincare. Yes, I was still eating well and drinking water, which was great, but I was using random products from like July up until maybe like last month. And I just saw that my skin was just not where it needed to be at all times. Like I would have good skin days, but then I would have bad skin days. And right now, we're not having too hot of a skin day. Like I'm getting a pimple. I'm also just like, it's just very lackluster. So that meant I needed to get it together. So thankfully, Butta has allowed me to become a Butta ambassador. So let's go get this skin all the way together. Okay, come on. So one thing about me is I love a kit. Give me everything that I need, and this is what Butta does. They give you your gentle cleanser, a vitamin C serum or moisturizer, and a toner, which I did not picture here, but it comes with the kit. And this time I didn't get the Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. I ended up getting the oil-free hyaluronic gel cream, only because I've been noticing that my skin has been really oily lately, and I took the skin quiz, which really helped me figure out which kit was best for my skin. So I'm gonna start off with the daily gel cleanser that gently lifts away dirt, oil, and debris. It really left my skin feeling smoother, brighter, and healthier. So I don't go in with that much, but I really like to make sure that I'm cleaning even my neck area, all around my face. So I just wanted you all to get a closer look on the motions that I'm using to wash my face. Sometimes I use this brush that really helps get it in there, but today I just felt like being gentle to my skin. And then I went right in to rinse it off. Literally from this one wash, I already noticed a difference. It really made my skin feel super radiant and so soft. And your girl was excited, okay? The smiles are because I'm hype and you know I had to do a quick dance. Then I went in with the rosewater toner that gently cleanses and refreshes the skin. It includes calming rosewater, aloe vera, y'all know I love aloe vera, and nourishing vitamin E. It also hydrates, balances excess oil, and unclogs pores as it revitalizes the skin for a fresh, healthy looking glow. Right after I did this again, I felt a little bit of tingles. As you can see, there was some dirt that was removed from my skin and it instantly gave me a glow. Next up, I went in with the vitamin C serum, and this is my absolute fave, like my favorite product. It targets dryness and helps with my dark spots, and as y'all know, I have melasma, so I'm really excited to see the changes that it makes to my skin. It also leaves my skin looking bright and vibrant, and my skin just felt so good right here. I could not stop touching it. Like, ooh, excited. It just feels so good. Like, I was looking dusty and crusty this morning, and I'm not even fully done with the routine. And can you guys see the glow? Oh man, this vitamin C serum does something to my face. It's your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. Whoa. All right, let's move on to the last step, okay? I'm still so amazed. Like, I'm looking in the mirror. Like, you didn't look like that 7 minutes ago. You didn't. And for my final step, I'm going in with the moisturizer. So this time around, as I mentioned, I am using the oil-free hyaluronic gel cream because I noticed that my skin has been extra oily lately, and this helps with oily skin. So this oil-free gel cream is a water-based moisturizer, ideal for oily skin like mine. I'm really excited to see how this continues to work, and I know that can also be a substitute for a primer. So we'll see.
I just want you guys to know that I'm pressed. And y'all know I be pressed, but I am pressed right now. Like, the pimple is still there. That's okay. It's not a magic cream. But when I tell you, my face just feels 30 times better. You know what? 100 times better, okay? All right, y'all. So I went ahead and did all of the steps. Woo! It's still hidden. It's still amazing. So if you are thinking about getting BUTTAH, get on it right now. Look in my description box for a discount code. I got y'all, because everyone needs to have some BUTTAH in their life. Okay? I don't know what is in here, but it's doing what it needs to do. It is doing what it needs to do. That is all for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Just a super quick skincare routine update. I'm gonna be consistent this time. I promise you. I promise you that. I am going to be consistent this time, since I see like how my skin was before versus how my skin looks now. It is absolutely incredible. It's incredible. I'm getting hot. Woo. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Until next time, bye. Just one last look at the skin before I go. All right, okay, I'm out.